Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful swimming design you can achieve in within 10 minutes. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now I have 4 pieces of fabric here. I'll cut it into equal parts. We have 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just cut out the edge like so. I'll mark 7 inches for the length here, 5.5 inches for the width. Now with my curved ruler, I'll go ahead and join this point to this point. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then I'll place it on my second fabric to cut. Now I'm now having 2 pieces each. So after cutting out the 2 pairs, I'll go ahead and sew through this circular part like so. I'll go ahead and sew through these edges. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've sewn through these edges. I'll go ahead and open it up like so. You can see. The next thing I'll do is to use my lace fabric to sew through the edges. I'll use the lace fabric to cover up the edges. The same thing I'll do to this one. So after that, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So guys, after attaching my lace fabric, I'll go ahead and join it together to sew. Now I'll join the 2 edges together like so. I'll mark 1.5 inches. Then I'll close it up like so. I'll go ahead and sew through this line. Then I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've joined it. You can see this is for a plus size. So if you measure your bust to bust to determine this measurement, like this one I'm having here now is a plus size. It's 8 inches for the bust to bust. If your bust to bust is 7 inches, you go ahead and place it like so. This is where you determine your bust to bust. As you place it, you mark 3.5. That is 7 inches. You sew it through. So this one now I'm having is 4 inches. That is for a plus size. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing, I have 12.5 inches for this elastic and I have it into 2 pieces. I'll go ahead and attach it at the joint where I have the 2 sides. I join the 2 sides together. I will make sure I place it at that same line. You can see I will sew it there, and as well place the second one at the same line as well. So I'll go to my sewing machine now and sew through this side and this side. After then, I'll show you the next thing we'll be doing. I've attached the small elastic to this point here. So this big elastic, I'm going to go ahead and measure out. This is 26 inches. I'll go ahead and measure out 26 inches. I'll go ahead and fold it into 2 like so. Then from this midpoint, I will start sewing. I'll take it like so. I'll just drag it a bit. I'll just sew through this way and as well sew through this side. You can see. Just drag it small and sew through. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So I've attached the elastic at this down part. I'll go ahead and measure out the remaining inches I have left here is 6 inches. I'll divide it into 2. That is 3 inches. I'll then place these 3 inches. I'll place it in between the lines here, and so I'll do the same thing to the second one. I'll mark 3 inches and place it in between. I'll join it. Then after then I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So guys, the last part is to close it up at these 2 edges. You can go ahead and put your hook and eye at this last edge, or you close it up, but I'll sew it. I'm going to close it. So I'll close it up and show you the last picture. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. This is the front, while this is the back. I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you try it out. Drop your comment at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more styles, and bye until I see my next video.